guys out there. Well, we've got a couple of updates here for you. We'll show what's going on. I'm getting way behind here, and I'm running around. We're working on cars, the staff's working on cars, and it seems like I'm the one grabbing the video camera all the time. And it's my fault. I'm getting way behind. Maybe I just got to stop these videos, period, because I just don't have time anymore to keep videotaping. But anyway, here we go. Let's take a look. The 66 is sitting back on the frame. So Chris is going to be getting at it today. He's going to start getting a few things together on it. .327, if any of you guys were asking. This truck was a factory 327, but this is not the numbers correct engine for it. But everything else is. Transmission, transfer case, all that stuff is numbers matching. This guy's, of course, is not building a numbers matching truck. He's just building a nice driver. He's going to drive it. He's going to have fun. Him and his son are going to take off and they're going to go cruising in this bad boy. The Charger we see sitting up above on the hoist is 70. I got the, you can see back in the background, there's a quarter panel. I got the quarter panel cut off up in there. So there was some rust right here. I took care of that, welded in a patch along in there. Turned out good, but the rest of it actually in behind, there was some rust up in there too we had to take care of, but it actually wasn't bad. It was actually pretty damn solid. And of course then what I did was I got in there and I cleaned it all up and I put some spray rust treatment on there like Rust Mort. Let it sit up overnight like I always do. Then we did our little bit of a etch primer over top. Then we did our nice texture spray over top of that, and it's good to go. Because you're never going to get back in this section again when the quarter's on. I mean, back in those days, if you got in there, most of it was bare metal. They didn't even have anything on these cars back then. It was just bare metal. So we all know it's going to outlast us, don't we? Okay. What else have we got going here? The 36 Ford. Now this one here has been here for 2 years, but it is turning out beautiful. Let me get this cover off here. If you guys remember, this gentleman is extremely fussy. He even had us do all the body work on the inside of the fenders. So let's get this pulled back. I'm not going to pull it right off, but there it is. All the parts are painted. We have the engine, so we're going to be getting the engine and transmission in this thing next week. Look at how straight Mr. Sean did the tape line for when we two-toned it. I mean, look at that. There's not even, I don't even know if I can zoom in without the camera. There's not even an edge on there. Look at that. Like I was saying, like, see, most people would just spray this black in here. We went with the color of the body. Wheels obviously still have to be, you know, tires have to come off. Wheels are going to be the tanny color you see up on top here. So wheels got to come off. That's at the end. So we're going to get the engine and tranny in this one next. Then we're going to get Chris onto some of the wiring, and we're going to get a little bit of upholstery work done by Derek at Custom Creations. Look those guys up, Custom Creations. This guy does fabulous work. So we're going to get Derek in there. He does cars from all over, not just down here in the Lower Mainland. California, you name it, he does them. He's got a lot of cars out there that are winning awards, and it's from Derek, who is just a few houses down from me. Goes to show you that us guys out in the country, we might have small little shops in our backyard, but we're doing some fabulous work out there. You don't need to go to the shop with all the neon lights and all the bells and whistles. That doesn't mean they're any better. Just means they're more in debt. Oh, maybe not. Anyway, the Camaro. The Camaro's over there. We got the hood on it, we got trunk lid on it, and Chris has got the top working now. The convertible top is up and working, so it's going to be going in the shop there this week, and Sean is going to be getting onto it to give it its final sand in 600. That's usually what we finish off in. We finish everything off in 600. It's going to be base coat, clear coat, unless somebody gets really super fussy. Once in a blue moon we have done 800, but 600 seems to be the norm around here. Now, if you remember a long time ago, I told you, the Ford pickup, I know, we're old time garage, but we're not, but like I say, you got a customer that's dropping 60 to 80 grand a year on cars with you, on one car. You don't deny to do his Ford pickup when he's got a bad spot on it. So we put new fenders on it, painted the fenders, put them on. Now this is just a work truck for him, so he's not getting super carried away. We got the box side sitting on there. Getting ready to be all spot welded on. There's a few spot welds that have started at the beginning. And that is what's going on with this old girl. Yeah, so that's about it. Lean-to's got its roof, obviously, that you've seen. That's our new winter shelter. Not really nothing to work under, just something to store cars under. It's kind of making our own little mini city around here. And that is it, guys. So I want to thank all you guys for subscribing. Thank you for buying some t-shirts and decals. We have plenty left. We'll give you a quick view in the glass cabinet here. If there's any new viewers out there that haven't seen what we do have, we'll show you. So we got beer cozies way down in the corner. We got the Black Betty t-shirt. We got the newest Old Time Garage t-shirt. Oh, we got Carried Away over there. We got all our decals along in there. Don't know what else to tell you. We got shirts. We got shirts, we got videos, we got fun times, and most of all, we got you guys as subscribers. So thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time. I'll see if I can try and keep up with these videos. God, I may need to hire a camera crew because I just can't keep up anymore. And that's it. Okay, see you next time.